Why do you like the beach? Why do you like the beach?
Because it's quiet.
It's not quiet here. It's noisy.
Well, why do you like the beach?
Because it's sunny.
It's not sunny, it's cloudy. And why did you choose this hotel?
Because it's cheap.
Yes, it's cheap and it's noisy.
It's not too noisy and it's near the beach.
Why did you choose this beach?
Because it's not too far from the city. Why did you choose this steak?
Because it's delicious.
Yes, it's delicious, but it's expensive.
Excuse me, sir. Yes? Is this the wine you've ordered? Yes, it is. Okay.
And why did you choose that wine?
Because it's French. I like French wine very much.
Unit 2. I need a new shirt. Life in a dream world. Good morning, Dad.
Oh, good morning, Layla. How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks, Dad.
That's good.
Dad?
Yes, dear?
I don't want to bother you.
Oh, you're not bothering me.
Well, Dad, I need a new shirt for school.
Okay, here's $30. Will that be enough?
Oh, it's enough. Thanks, Dad. You're the best.
I love you and I want you to be happy.
I love you too, Dad. Bye, Dad.
Goodbye.
Life in the real world. Good morning, Dad. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Dad, I need a new shirt for school and,
What do you want?
can I borrow some money?
Go ask your mother.
I've already asked her.
All right, how much?
$30?
30? $30, that's too much.
But, Dad,
Here's $20.
only 20? That's not enough.
Well, go out and get a job then.
Unit 3. You are beautiful.
You know you're very pretty.
Pardon me?
I said you're very pretty.
Oh, no, I'm not.
Oh yes, you're beautiful.
Well, thank you. You're very nice.
I like your long hair.
Really?
I don't like women with short hair. Excuse me, would you like another drink, sir? Yes, please, and one for the lady.
Oh, no, thank you.
Come on, just one.
Well, okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. My name's Matthew. What's yours?
I'm Selena.
Wow, it's nice to meet you, Selena.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you an American?
No, I'm not. I'm from Australia.
Well, do you like America?
Oh, yes, I do. But it's cold here in New York in December.
Yes, very cold. Is it cold in Australia?
No, it isn't. It's very nice.
Where do you live in New York?
I live in a tall old building in Manhattan.
Wow, sounds nice. I'd really like to see it. Is it very expensive?
Yes, it's very expensive.
I live in a cheap old house in New Jersey.
In New Jersey?
Yeah, it's quiet there. It's not like New York where it's really noisy and expensive.
It's noisy and expensive here, but it's exciting.
Tell me, Selena,
Yes, what is it?
well, Selena, are you married?
Yes, I am. This is my husband.
Hello.
Unit 4. How much is it? Good morning. How can I help you?
Yes, I was wondering, how much is it for a ticket to Boston?
By air?
Yes,
It's $80.
$80. And how much by train?
It's $16.
And by bus?
By bus?
Yes.
Let me check.
Okay.
Okay, by bus is $14.
And how much time does it take by bus?
It takes 10 hours by bus.
And how much time does it take by plane?
It takes 1 hour by air.
Okay, that's fast.
Yes, very fast.
And how much time does it take by train?
Well, the train is quite slow. It takes 14 hours.
Oh, that is slow.
Yes, it's slow, but it's safe.
I think I'll go by bus. How much was that?
$14.
Okay, just a minute. There's $14.
Thank you. And when do you want to go?
I would like to go on Saturday morning.
Okay. Here's your ticket, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Thanks.